presentation for the different degrees in the different areas of specialization, I have the honor to request permission that we be granted our respective degrees with all the privileges appurtenant thereof.
Having been certified by the registrar that you have completed the requirements prescribed by the university and by the Commission on Higher Education, I, by virtue of the power vested upon me by the Board of Trustees, hereby confer upon you the title and degree with all the rights, honors, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Graduates, you may now transfer your tassels to the right. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates. Please be seated. Engineer Melanie Mendoza, the new chairperson of the ECE department, was not able to join us in the processional earlier. It was Attorney Ganggangan who marched on her behalf. Shall we give Attorney Ganggangan a round of applause, please? The Dean of the College of Engineering, Engineer Evelyn Ragindin, the host of the 79 commencement exercises, will be introducing our guest of honor and commencement speaker. Engineer Ragindin.
To Father Venerando Agner, CM Provincial Superior, Father Marcelo Malintin, CM, our University President, fellow administrators, faculty members and co-academic employees, parents, family, and friends, the graduating class of 2017, good morning. It is my privilege to introduce our guest